Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoy the channel. You have a great day wherever you're at. Enjoy the video. Well, of course, the angle grinder crapped out. This is a older Chicago electric. I'm guessing 15 to 25 years old, minimum. Very well made, not like the stuff they sell now, just my personal opinion. And we're going to take it apart and see if we can figure out what's wrong with it. Here we are. We're going to use a flathead screwdriver on the main seam here, both sides, and then it'll come apart. Okay. Okay, it turns out the switch is bad in this unit, so we're simply just going to cut. So this is what ultimately ended up happening. Replace the switch, put a momentary, so I could just tap it backwards. If you push forward, nothing happens, because it's a three-way switch. I also replaced the cord, because it was, well, bad. So the both of them must have burned up or done something, but it now functions. And here we go.